Hello guys, welcome to Target JEE NEET. Today I am going to start chemistry. This is my first lecture. I have selected some questions from the IIT. The first question is the half-life period of first order chemical reaction is 6.93 minutes. Means given T half is equal to 6.93 minute. The time required for completion of 99% of the chemical reaction will be, let it be T. So as per the first order reaction, the formula for T is equal to 2.303 by lambda log n0 by n. Now from here we need this and this. So lambda is equal to 0.693 divided by T half is equal to 0.693 divided by 6.93 is equal to 0.1 is lambda. We got lambda. Now again, this one is initial concentration and this one is final concentration. As per the relation, 99% of the chemical reaction will be completed. If 99% completed means if N0 is equal to 100, then N is equal to 1. It means N0 by N is equal to 100 by 1. Why it comes? Because if initial concentration is 100, 99 has already completed, means remains only 1. So initial and final remaining this. So just need to put the values and solve. So T is equal to 2.303 by lambda 0.1 into log 100. Log 100 means this becomes 23.03 into 2 log 10 is equal to 23.03 into 2 into 1 is equal to 46.06 minute. So T becomes 46.06 minute. It means in chemical reaction, if half-life is 6.93, then to complete 99% it would be 46.06 minute. Next question. Question number 2. In an atom, an electron is moving and with a speed of 600 meter per second with an accuracy of 0.005%. Certainty with which certainty with which the position of the electron, the position of the electron can be located given h is equal to 6.6 into 10 power minus 34 kg meter square per second. Mass of electron is equal to 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kg. This is given. So this question is related to Heisenberg uncertainty principle, and this principle says Heisenberg uncertainty. If you are aware about this principle, it says position and momentum, exact determination of position and momentum of any electron is impossible. As per this means position delta x into m delta v, this is momentum, is greater or equal to h by 4 pi. We have to find out this, means delta x is equal to h by 4 pi m delta. Now the things given, h and pi m given, just we need to find out delta v. Here given VE means speed of electron is equal to 600 meter per second. With accuracy this, it means delta V is equal to 600 into 0.005 divided by 100. This becomes 0.03. This becomes 0.03. So delta V, this, now put all the values, is equal to 6.6 into 10 power minus 34 divided by 4 into 3.14 into 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 is mass of electron into 0.03. If we cut this, it becomes 10 power minus 3. So delta x is equal to 6.6 into 10 power minus 3 divided by 4 into 3.14 into 9.1 into 0.03. If we solve it, it becomes 1.92 into 10 power minus 3 meter. So we got certainty with which the position of electron can be located. This is delta x. So just you need to have the concept, and after that just write down the formula and just see clearly which things are given and which are not given. This was not given, we just find out this and put the value and we solve it. Thank you guys, have a nice day.